It's so cold that I can't feel my toes. Holding your hand tightly, I will wait with you. I will hold you steady as you go. Feels like we've been stuck in here for ages, with the gentle patter of the rain. I never really cared too much for sunshine. I never did stay dry out in the rain. Mother always said that I should fall in love before I die. So who knows, maybe this is it.
Ain't it funny how a man can be summed up in seconds when look into his eyes and you've revealed his intentions? And I wonder why it is that a quick glance impression conceals all the good and even potential. Ain't it shit to know that kindness is never genderless, unless it's from your mother or that of your father, I guess. I've given up on love, I've given up on life, gonna change because I've given up on trying. I've given up on love, I've given up on life, and I ain't gonna change because I've given up on trying. Yeah. Ain't it good to know that time can heal all the hurting? A little breakaway is like a big old stage curtain. And I wonder why it is, no matter what people tell you, gotta do things yourself to find any value.
death everywhere. Voices will follow you in your steps. And place every day. Demons will pressure you in your place. Path that you take, the air that you bring, the tears that you weep, the fears that creep. Feelings will bury you everywhere. Place every day. Temptations will haunt you every day. The path that you take, the air that you breathe, the tears that you weep, the fears that creep. The path that you take, the air that you breathe, the tears that you weep, the fears that creep.
I'm not hiding away, 'cause I'm down for this. Since I'm down for this, I get so down. I'm not trying to say I want a relationship. Just wanna know you. Just wanna know there's some more. And I'll be alright on my own. And yeah, I'll be okay when I'm headed alone. There may be some
not for my age. I grew out of that, 'cause all it does is break all of the parts of me. Someday I wanna change, and all I know, yeah, 'cause I'll be alright on my own, and yeah, and I'll be okay where I'm headed alone. There may be someday down this road I'll stare at myself, and I don't like what I see. Cause I'll be alright on my own, and yeah, and I'll be okay where I'm headed alone. And maybe someday down this road I'll stare at myself, and I don't like what I see, and I don't like what I see.
This one's about, you know who you are. Y'all ready?
So you're back in the States, wanna see my face. You're sick of planes, trains, and bouillabaisse. You must be blind if you can't see. It's been about a year since you left me, and all the while all I thought about was all the time that I shared with someone that was never mine. And now you're knocking on the door to my life. Ooh, I never seen a sober sight. And I'd always been forgiving, especially to you. But now you've got a hungry heart, there's nothing I can do. You can't eat with me now. If you couldn't starve with me then. Come on, why do you look so shocked? You came a long way for a love you lost, and all I ever wanted was to share with you, and all I ever needed was some faith from you. So I climbed the mountain all alone, while you put rocks in my bag and you made it snow. So I see the sights all by myself. Oh, I never needed your kind of help. And I'd always been forgiving, especially to you. But now you've got a hungry heart, there's nothing I can do. You can't eat with me now. If you couldn't starve with me then. There's nothing I can do. I only got one road. You can't eat with me now. If you couldn't starve with me then